So it's that time of the year, eggnog, coquito, or in this case, cremasse. So I'm basically gonna use the recipe from HaitianRecipes.com. Sweetened condensed coconut milk. I got 4 cans of it. I got 2 cans of evaporated coconut milk. Ground cloves, ground nutmeg, ground Star Anise, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, almond extract, creamed coconut, flat side of my tenderizer. Just beat it up till I get it nice and powdery. And then lime. And most importantly, no, I'm not using barbancourt. Denizen rum, 100 proof, a little heavy on molasses. It's an 80-20 Guyanese Martinique blend, and that's it. We're just gonna mix all this stuff up. I put 4 cans sweetened condensed coconut milk in with 1 can of evaporated coconut milk. I'm gonna let that spin on low for a while. And while I'm doing that, I got the other can of evaporated coconut milk here, coming up in temperature a little bit with the creamed coconut so that it completely, dissolves. I'm not gonna heat this up too much, just enough to get this nice and smooth and get all the chunks out. So I added the evaporated coconut milk and creamed coconut, about a teaspoon here. We're putting 2 of everything, basically. Actually, you know what? Cloves I'm gonna leave at 1. We'll do 1 of the cloves, 3 of cinnamon, 2 of nutmeg, and 2 of anise. And we got lime, vanilla, 2 of these guys, and 2 almonds. Now we're gonna go 2.5 almonds. You know what? Throw another half of vanilla in there too. Oops. It's almost another vanilla, but whatever. Last but not least, 2 cups of that guy. Of course, a little for myself.